misty Halloween morning in Dickens country. Doesn't get much more atmospheric than that. So foggy. Check it out. This is VLOG.8. Today's the first day back at work after daylight saving. The clocks went back. As you can see, it's very dark. Plus it's Halloween. I haven't seen anything scary yet though. Although there's some kids coming, we'll see what happens there. Predominantly vlogging with the iPhone at the moment because it's just so much easier to carry around, hold up. But you don't have any control. As you can see, with my camera right now, I'd have turned the ISO right up, open up the iris, you'd have got a much brighter picture. But with the iPhone, you get what you get, and that's it. Well, it doesn't look too bad, but it's not ideal. Getting into the light now should be better. Yeah, that is a bit better. But it's Halloween, but no one's Halloweening. Haven't seen any evidence of any kind of Halloweening. I suppose it's a bit early. And I'm on a bridge. People don't go trick-or-treating on a bridge. You go to houses. So let's see what happens when I get onto my street and I'm around all the houses. Cyclist. Another good reason for using the iPhone predominantly for the vlog is it's not quite as ostentatious as a great big fat fucking SLR with a big top mic on it. It just screams, pinch me. It's Halloween, there's loads of trick-or-treaters outside, but it's too dark so I can't show you them. I can't film them, A, because it's too dark, and B, because they're children. And I already accidentally had it on photo instead of video when I first started to try to record, and it sent out this big flash across the whole fucking street. And all these kids looked up like, who's the pedo in the window? I was literally just trying to film a little bit of the atmosphere. But I can't film it because it's too dark. So annoying at the vlog. It's not doing it anymore. It's really dark on the way home, so I don't get enough light to kind of film things enough, and there's people around, and I need to get rid of my people first. So I'm going to have to film us doing a shopping haul. Exciting, huh? Shopping. So you've got vegetables, pork slash chicken, cherry tomatoes, corn mince, tinned beans, wraps, peppers, garlic, couscous, cereal. Garlic? Oh. Soy sauce always falls out. Okay, yogurt. This is going to be the best vlog ever. Me getting a yogurt, getting a spoon to go with the yogurt. Oh. My viewers are going to be like, where's this guy going? Yogurt. Success. Oh, too late.
Cereal. Carrots.
You're welcome. Carrots and ice cream. What a horrible combination.
There's a shop. Let's go.
idea if this is going to come out, but we are on our way to Aldi. To buy foodies. And whatever random domestic item they just happen to dump in those bins in the middle of the aisles. What are you doing? We're going to get a wider spot so we can get the little rascals out. Look.
Ow!
Mind Mummy's foot when you're walking along.
Just had these shoes prepared.
This shop. I can't remember. No, we don't need those, mate. Seb. Put them back. Thank you. Tonight. Seb, we need carrots. Get carrots. What? Carrots here. Look. Forget it. That was my wife lying to my son about cakes, saying that they were fruit when actually they're cakes because he likes cake. And we're trying to stop him having cake. I tweeted BBC Six Music, an early morning programme this morning. They have a section on the show where you can tweet kind of joke merchandise ideas for bands. People come up with funny stuff. I tweeted in Radiohead could have radios in the shape of Tom York's head. They read it out, but he started it off with, well, pretty low-hanging fruit from Jack Smith, but Radiohead could have radios in the shape of Tom York's head. Low-hanging fruit? Yeah, I suppose. What's going on here? We had a lovely weekend away, and it was bonfire weekend, so we were at bonfire weekend at my family's, went to see some fireworks, and they looked exactly like this. Okay, we're vlogging, and we're vlogging hard. We're going to a fireworks display. Everyone's eating burgers before we go. Burgers.
Hamster.
Kane, have you got anything to say?
Happy bonfire night. Nice
Happy
zoom
bonfire
in.
night?
Yes!
I said no publicity. I said no.
You won't get any.
Oh, it's exciting, isn't it?
That's a fire. That's Kane.
How much am I getting paid for this again?
You're getting paid at least 5% of whatever I make off it.
Same as me, that is. Cold can be.
Oui.
This is turning off.
Oui.
I can read it.
Family Trivial Pursuit. somewhat of a tradition.
Oh, Seb. Get your big head out of the way, man. You gonna chuck it up in the air?
Yeah. Wait.
Do it again, mate. Wait.
My drums are falling down.
Where's the missus?
That's sweet.
Women. That's how my dad talks to his son. See, that's where I get my threatening personality from.
Oh,
And the panic aspect to my personality.
that comes from mum and all, doesn't it?
You're going to look into the camera. We're on telly, look. You're going to say something
I read
to all
that.
say something to all your fans.
White caravan.
Say hello. What's your name?
I'm a car.
There's a car, yeah.
Who's that? Who's that?
Uncle Jack.
Uncle Jack, yeah.
Uncle Booby. Yeah, Uncle Booby. Uncle Booby. Hello to the future. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is my nephew, Ewan.
You won't be on telly now.
Hello. Hello.
That looks really funny, especially with this high lens. So it's Wednesday the 9th of November 2016. Britain teeters on the edge of political and economic disaster in the wake of Brexit. It's absolutely pissing it down with rain, and Donald Trump has become the 45th President of the United States of America. To quote Wakeman, human sacrifice, dogs and cats living together, mass hysteria. So Trump gets in. I'm not politically minded, I'm no academic, I don't know my American history, I don't know a great deal about politics whatsoever because it doesn't really interest me. So I'm not going to sit here and talk about Brexit and talk about the US election like I know what I'm talking about and I'm outraged. But even as someone who lacks, that kind of education and doesn't read the papers and is so uninformed as I am, even I'm going, huh? That doesn't feel right. Donald Trump is to be the 45th President of the United States of America. Britain have left the European Union all in 1 year. I mean, that just doesn't feel right to me. Was I knocked unconscious in 2015 and I've woken up, or rather not woken up, and I'm in some kind of bizarre political farce that my mind has conjured? The only thing that could have made it even weirder is if Boris became Prime Minister. Bojo, Prime Minister, we've left the EU, and Donald Trump is President of the United States. That's a punchline to a joke.